Good morning, it's Tuesday. I've done 2 sets of my workout already, and I need to rest. I don't know if I can do a full 3rd set today or not. I'm going to try. I'm going to see what happens. I will probably have to rest more throughout this set than I did the first 2 sets. But again, this is day 17, and I just started doing these compound exercises, which, I woke up this morning, I was feeling it. So I was able to do the first set, and then I did 3 of the exercises. I had to set the weights down during the second set. I was able to do 3 of the exercises. I had to set the weights down for a couple of minutes. Then I picked them up and did 2 more exercises. And I had to set the weights down for a minute or 2. And then I picked them up and I completed my workout, that set. So we'll see how this 3rd set goes. Man, this really works your muscles, I'm telling you. Let me get started here, and then we'll talk a little bit more when I set the weights down. This hand is, it's killing me today. I tweaked it yesterday when I picked that weight up, and it hit that knot in my thumb just right. And now, of course, it's all swolled up today and hurting and not feeling good and making things more difficult, and got to work around it. I'm not going to stop this. And, because if I stop, I'm not going to start again. I'll be honest with you. If I stop doing what I'm doing, for 2 weeks or 3 weeks or a month or whatever to get my hand to heal, I'm just done. I will lose all motivation, and I'll just quit. I can't stop, or I won't continue. So let's get started. 3rd set of the day. And I'm feeling it. Okay. All right. Little off balance there. 1 more. Oh, God. Okay. I don't know if I can do the curls though. We're gonna try. I'm gonna have to cheat a little bit on this 3rd set. I can tell. Yeah, here comes the cheating. 8, 9. Oh, okay. Let's get the traps out of the way. Or whatever these are. Okay. All right. Let's set those down for a minute. I got to tell you guys, I am so freaking proud of myself. Just to be able to do 3 compound exercises like that. As time goes on, I won't have to set the weights down. This is an entirely new program on week 4. So it's just, I'm changing things up, and I am really feeling it. On Friday of last week, I showed you, I think, my calf stretching, holding the weights. I believe that's what I showed you on the end of week 3. And then, but remember, all through that week, I was still doing my morning exercises, but I was just doing the, I did the curls and the traps, and then I'd rest for a minute, and I'd do some more curls and some more traps, and I'd rest for a minute, and I'd do some more, and then I'd rest, and then I'd do the shoulder presses and the lat pulls, and then I'd rest. I'm telling you, I was able to get through the first set. I think I showed you my very first attempt at doing this yesterday. I was able to get through the first set by only putting the weights down for a minute, and then I finished. And let's see, what else do I have to do now? My triceps, my lat pulls, my bends and squats. Okay, we're going to do the triceps first. There's no particular order here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we're going to set that down for just a minute, and then we'll do the lat pulls and the bends and squats, and that'll be it. My third set will be done. I don't mind having to rest for just a minute or two in between exercises. I actually give myself about 10 minutes in between each set. So it doesn't take very long to do a set. And then if I rest for 10 minutes and do another set, and then rest for 10 minutes and do my third and final set like I'm doing now, I do have to set the weights down on throughout my sets, but still I am feeling it everywhere because I'm not giving myself much of a break. Two, 3. This is the hardest part. 4, 6, 7. Come on, Bill. 7, 8. Come on, 2 more. Come on, 2 more. 9. 1 more. 10. 10. Oh. Boy, that gets your heart pumping. Get your breathing going. God, I feel good. Oh, all right. That was gotta relax. Heart rate's probably about 120. I don't need to do cardio. This gets my heart rate up, gets my breathing going, and we'll see where we're at the end of the week. But I have to say, changing things up, it feels like I've completely started over. And I was getting too comfortable with the other way I was doing things. And I needed to shake it up. So, I want to build my strength and my endurance, and I want to lose this gut. Now, if you're happy with doing your basic 3 sets of 5 or 3 sets of 10, and you do your exercises every other day or twice a week or whatever, and you're happy with that, that's awesome. We all have to make a choice as to how far we want to go, what we want to do, and when we get where we want to be, how do we just maintain that? I will eventually get where I want to be, and then I'll just be doing maintenance exercises to keep myself strong and to keep myself thin. So eventually I'll get there. I'm not there yet. Sam Solik, if you watch any bodybuilders at all, he said something that really clicked with me, because when I first started exercising, I was pushing myself too hard. And he said, and he's a professional bodybuilder, and he said, you need to rest until you're done breathing hard and your heart rate comes back down to normal. A professional bodybuilder said that. So all the videos I've been watching, you know, they're like, all right, do as many curls as you can till failure. Set the weights down, time it 60 seconds, and do it again. And he said, that's just bullshit. You have to give yourself a chance to calm down. Then do your next set. So doing it this way, yeah, I do have to set the weights down for a minute or so, and then do another exercise. Eventually I won't have to set the weights down. I'll be able to just go through the whole routine and then set them down. But remember, this is only my second day doing this workout. But for example, when I do my whole routine and I'm done, I'm going to have to give myself some time to re-energize, get my heart rate down, get my breathing to slow down. As you can tell, I'm still breathing hard. I don't need to do cardio. This is cardio enough. All right, guys. That's it for day 17. I hope you're enjoying the videos, watching the progress. Yeah, it's slow. Progress is slow. Like I said, just watch for 90 days. Then compare my first workout video with my 90-day workout video. I'm doing all this in real time. I am sick and tired of these AI pictures. I've been watching the same people. I wanted to start this 10 years ago before I blew out those discs in my neck, and then I couldn't. But I've been watching the same people talking about dumbbell exercises for 10 years. And what blows my mind, and the reason I'm doing this in real time, is because I'll see a video of somebody I've been watching for 10 years, and they'll show a picture of themselves being all fat and blobbingly and disgusting looking, and right next to it is a picture of them all fit and trim, and they're like, here's how I got here, you know. And I don't think they've ever been a pound overweight in their life. But they're using AI generated pictures. And to me, that's bullshit. Either show it in real time, in real life. They're all trying to sell a program. They're all trying to buy my workout program. Sign up for my free, my email. Sign up for this, sign up for that. Drink this juice, take these vitamins, eat this protein. They're all in it for something. Something you will never, ever see me do on this channel, I will never promote a protein drink or a protein bar or a protein cereal. I will never promote taking any kind of muscle enhancing supplements of any kind. The only links you will see in the description of my videos is where you can buy the weights. That's it. Where you can get these weights. And I'm never going to try to sell you an exercise program. I'm never going to try to get you to sign up for my email, my weekly newsletter. No, all of this is in real time. What you see is what you get. If you're looking for some weights, there's a link in the description. Below all the description, there's a link. And you can click on that. That's the weights that I'm using. They also have different sizes of weights. It's an Amazon link. You click on that, you buy yourself some weights. I get 20 cents. But I'm not going to promote shit that I don't use. I'm not going to promote home delivery meals. I'm not going to promote specific drinks or earbuds and tell you that I wear these earbuds while I'm working out when I'm not on camera. No, I don't. I don't wear earbuds when I'm not working out. I mean, when I'm not on camera. I just do my damn workout. I'm not going to lie to you to get you to buy some shit just so I can make more money. I have this terrible disease most people lack. It's called integrity. If you don't know what that is, look it up. So no, I will never try to promote anything that I'm not actually using. If you want to know what this camera is, I can tell you that. What the mic is, I can tell you that. Other than that, all I'm promoting is these dumbbells. And I'm not even promoting them. I'm just using them and putting a link in the description where you can get them. All right, that's it for today, guys. I'm finally starting to calm down. You can tell I'm extremely puffy right now. That was my third full compound workout of the day. I'm glad to be able to rest. I was sore as hell when I woke up this morning. I'm going to be sore as hell I'm going to be sore for a week at least. I will see you tomorrow.